the Lion Home Services yet brings you another surprise. Checking out some speed UTV vehicles. While we spectate the KOH 2025. That's some great action. I hope you've been keeping up with us. We've been test running our one-of-a-kind off-road air conditioner. I know it's a little bit comical, but just putting it together and making it happen, it's been a roller coaster and fun. So we're still doing trial runs. So right now, as we know, the unit is activated in the back at camp, and spectators as they cruising by, they're checking it out, wondering what the heck it is. A couple of my campers next door came upon me and wanting to know what the heck it was. My response was, well, what do you think it is? They're like, an air conditioner? A generator? I'm like, yeah, dude, it's an air conditioner. It was an air conditioner that we had, and we took it over to the recycle center and we had it we had all the guts removed out of it, and then from that point on we had a platform to work on. So it was a lot of fun. Yes, so the air conditioner basically came upon me on a dream, believe it or not. I dreamt it on Thursday night, and we began working on it on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we finished it. And then on Monday we were on the road to the King of the Hammers 2025. And here we are, Thursday already. Gosh, time is flying. But yeah, it's been really an experience, let me tell you that much. It's amazing, all these speed UTV vehicles that you see out here is pretty cool. Uh-oh, they're coming really close upon each other. Could bind up a little bit. I tell you, there's nothing better than the smell of racing fuel all over in the air. The best. The best. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave some comments. And I'll continue to give you some updates on that air conditioner and see how it's handling. I'll probably bring you a video and show you what the destruction that it's gone through and the chaotic ventures that it's gone through. So I'll keep you posted. Leave some comments and don't forget to subscribe.